Welcome to another interesting video with fun and unknown facts. Hope you will enjoy the video. Let's get started.
Please do subscribe for more videos and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The dry valleys in Antarctica are the driest places on Earth. With such low humidity and moisture on this portion of the continent, snow and ice cannot even accumulate, which leaves the valleys as just a dusty expanse of dirt. Antarctica is, on average, the windiest place on Earth. Scientists exploring this southerly landmass have reported wind speeds that have reached up to 200 miles per hour. One of the most fascinating things about Antarctica is that it is, in fact, a landmass. The Antarctic Ice Sheet is the single biggest mass of ice in the world and can be over 2 miles thick. The continent as a whole contains about 90% of the planet's freshwater ice and around 70% of the total freshwater on Earth. Scientists claim that if the West Antarctic ice sheet were to melt, it would raise global sea levels by about 16 feet. The Ross Ice Shelf, a floating shelf of ice that extends off the continent's main landmass, encompasses more than 197,000 square miles and is the largest ice shelf that has ever been discovered. While Antarctica is covered in ice, it actually holds one of the world's biggest mountain ranges, the Gamburtsev Mountains, which stretch out more than 750 miles. The highest peaks are estimated to be around 9,000 feet, or about one-third the height of Earth's tallest mountain, Mount Everest. A good portion of these mountains are buried beneath Antarctica's ice and snow, but many of the peaks are steep enough to be snow-free. Another interesting geographic feature hidden under the ice sheet is Lake Vostok, a freshwater lake buried under 2.5 miles of frozen water. This lake is about the size of Lake Ontario and is one of more than 200 different bodies of water that have been discovered beneath the ice. The most exciting part, these lakes are absolutely teeming with microscopic life. Scientists can use water samples to learn about how these minuscule creatures survive in such a harsh environment. This could even give researchers an idea for how life might survive on other planets, such as below the ice found on Mars. There are plenty of extinct volcanoes in Antarctica, but there are 2 active ones as well. One of these is at Deception Island, and it's an incredibly interesting and rare type of volcano. Antarctica's other active volcano, Mount Erebus, is picture perfect. It is the southernmost active volcano in the world and is home to the only known lava lakes, which have held liquid magma for eons despite the continent's frigid conditions. There are 30 different countries that operate 80 research stations situated around the continent. The researchers who occupy these facilities number around 4,000 during the summer months and only around 1,000 during the long, harsh winters. When you travel to Antarctica, you'll get to see one of the most fascinating sights in the world, the midnight sun. South of the Antarctic Circle, there is a period of months when the sun never sets. Though there are no truly permanent residents in Antarctica, there are people there all year round. The continent's isolation and harsh climate, though difficult to live in, make it perfect for all manner of study. Researchers stay in Antarctic bases and study the continent's life, geography, and temperature. In March of 2000, an ice chunk broke off the Ross Ice Shelf that was 170 miles long and 25 miles wide, roughly the size of the state of Connecticut. Deep Lake in East Antarctica is so salty that it never completely freezes. The lake's salinity levels are 10 times higher than the ocean, which makes the waters one of the least productive ecosystems in the world. The high salt levels also mean that even with water temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, the lake remains liquid. Thanks for watching.
Please do subscribe for more videos.